Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another car of the week with me, Haas, live at the Rix Motors Company in the heart of Warrington. Well, what do we have here? Misano Red, RS4 Avant, 2015. This is a real showstopper of a car. Under the bonnet, 4.2 naturally aspirated V8 churning out 440 brake horsepower. It's an all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive car, so get power to all four, so it's perfect for either summer, winter or in between. Coming round to the side, this beautiful car sits on 20-inch V-spoke Audi alloys with Pirelli P0s to complement. Over here we have the chrome wing mirrors, which are electrically adjustable and they are electrically foldable. Jumping inside of this luxurious estate car, so as you can see, perfect driving position, flat bottom steering wheel. We also have carbon fibre inlay on the dash and on the door cards. Both front passenger seats are heated, and we have a reversing camera, so a very high spec car. Also, we have the, I don't know if you can see here, the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is, you know, a really nice extra for these cars. Okay, I mean, this paintwork is immaculate. I mean, you know, puts Ferrari red to shame, I would say. Coming round to the side here, we have these rather large channel tunnel sized exhausts, so they you know, you can hear the V8 rumble. One touch opening tailgate, I mean, large enough for the school run, for the dogs and the weekend shopping, so the wife can't say anything. Electrically closable tailgate as well. Thank you very much again for tuning in for Car of the Week with me, Haas, here at the Rix Motor Company in Warrington. Bye bye for now.